What's up, everybody? Hey, today I'm out here at Alderman Ford Nature Preserve. It's over in Plant City area. It's off of Turkey Creek Road, and I found around 3 to 3.5 mile trail that goes down around the Alafia River. I've hiked down here one other time. It's been over a year ago, so I like to come up here and check it out and see if any hurricane damage has been sustained through here or just what the trail looks like. So y'all come with me. Let's check it out. As you pull in off of Turkey Creek Road there's a pretty good little parking area for plenty of cars. A few times I've been here, there's really only been one other car other than me. Let's go check out the river. Out here, we have a red trail and we have a yellow trail. And the red trail is supposedly around 2.3 miles according to the map. And the yellow trail is only like a 0.2 or 0.3 down to the river. So let's check it out. As you're first walking in, it's all grassy pine fields like this here with palms, and then it turns into a big oak jungle with palmettos and everything. And this will take you right down to the river. It's a pretty cool spot if I remember right. A little bit hilly down through here too. It's a good trail. This is another trail that I've used All Trails app to locate for me. Just get in the area and ask it, trails near me. And this is what pops up, well, according to where you're at. There's a lot of clothing on this trail. Might be a homeless camp back in here or some shenanigans going on. I don't know. Well, here's a little creek tributary headed into the actual river. Another sock. There might be a naked person down here is all I know. I've done seen all kinds of clothing down through here. Here's a look at the river. Very cool. It's a beautiful spot. It's flowing pretty good too, pretty swift. I got it down through there. Let me hop down here and I'll show you a little more. It's pretty, huh? That's the Alafia River. Got all this limestone, and right back behind me, where that tributary was coming in, creates a little waterfall. Isn't that cool? Let's see if I can get down here to this little waterfall. Pretty cool little spot here. Oh yeah. There's the little creek feeding it. Now I've hiked that way before, and I thought it used to be a trail, but it dead end on me. And it gets grown over pretty quick and can get really swampy. I may head that way here in just a few. I'm gonna meander down that way a little further. See what the river looks like down there. You can see this trail just follows the river down here. But I believe, like I said, that's supposed to be the end of the blaze portion back there. Just right as soon as you hit the river, that's where the blazes stop. And this is just where people come and explore, probably fish, probably swim, all the above. Another little spot to get down to the water here. Let's go down and check it out. And she's flowing good. Here's another spot that accesses the river. I'm kind of walking up on a bluff here. I think this is about the end to where you can see where everybody comes down here and hangs out. Oh, I see why. Rope swing in this cool tree. Yeah, but they got a trashed area. Public lands. Man, I tell you what. That's terrible. That is terrible. Such a beautiful place. And this is what is happening to it. This is why we can't have nice things, y'all. I can hear water rushing. This must be a rapid area. Let's check it out. Let me step out here and... Well, I can't really see it, but it's around the corner. What a pretty spot. Just really pisses me off about all that trash. It's not even that far from, I guess that's why, it's not that far from the trailhead to tote your stuff back out. It wouldn't be that big of a task. I'm not gonna let it ruin my fun though, 'cause this is gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna head back and hop over that little waterfall area and go explore that area. I feel like last time I was here, that was actually supposed to be a trail. At least on all trails it was, but I couldn't find it this time. And like I said last time, it just got overgrown and disappeared and swampy. Let's see what it looks like today. Oh, it actually does have a blaze on it. Okay. Let's check it out. Got another rope swing here. Not sure where the trail goes, but I'm right on the banks of the river. Oh, you can see down through there really well. And some rapids. Very cool. Looks like trail goes right down the side of the river. Look at the rapids, y'all. I like it a lot. Check out the trees. And the sun isn't just blazing on me. Ooh, that's slick. Slick, I tell you what. I'm gonna keep going. I see somewhat of a blaze there. Gonna end up with 6 miles today with all my meandering. Look at this. This is cool. Look at all the fungus on this down tree limb. Man, isn't that neat? But you can see what I was saying. It gets really grown over and it's sawgrass. So you pretty much are gonna get cut up a little bit. Probably ticks too. Arrow leads the way. There's some trees down in here, and it's a bit growed over. There's a blaze. I'm just gonna keep going until I can't find a blaze or it gets too thick or impenetrable, and I'll turn around. It seems like people don't expect other people to be coming back here. I figured I'd find something like that back here with all the trash that's up there. Pretty unfortunate. I believe this is where I'm going to turn around. Really don't feel like bushwhacking through all that. Plus, I think it just leads to more of that. It's not a loop, you're going to have to backtrack. And it's not very well used, put it that way. It's overgrown, impenetrable for the most part, and poorly marked. So I'll head back and we'll go back to the red trail, see what it has to offer. All right, I've managed to turn a 0.2 of the yellow trail into a 1 mile in and a 1 mile out. So I'm gonna have 2 miles by the time I get back to the red blaze. Get my steps, y'all. And I tell y'all what, I was just hiking back up to the red trail, run across a dad and a daughter, maybe 5-year-old girl, and they had a trash bag and they had the little tong picker upper things, and they're out here picking up trash, and they've already taken 1 bag up to the trash and they was coming back to get more. I thank them a lot, especially teaching his little daughter, you know, to keep the places that we love clean. You don't see that a whole lot, but they're still good people, y'all. Armadillo crossing the trail. That's actually the second one. There's one already went across. Here we go on the red trail. Let's go check it out and let it speak for itself. Just had a couple deer jump up, went back out through there. Like a doe on a farm. There's critters out here. There's a rabbit in the trail. Oh, not no more. Hop, skip, and a jump. She gone. I can hear more rushing water, y'all. Let's see what these rapids look like. I can hear it. I gotta climb down there. Look at the color of that water. Beautiful. Check this area out. Look at that tree. Boy, ain't that pretty. Let me get down there and I'll show y'all what it looks like. All right, I'm down here. Check this out. What a gorgeous spot. That's beautiful. And I still got a little bit of trail to go that follows this, so maybe there's more beautiful spots just like this down the trail. Let's go see. Gotta head back up here. Oh, check out this tree. Kind of twisted off. All right, back up the hill. All right, y'all, this is where my trail comes to a loop, so I'll be turning around and backtracking. So I go around here through the woods there a little bit. I'll connect back and go back the way I came along the river, and then I'll go out in the pastures and along the fence line back to the car, if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna take one look at the river right over here before I do start seeing what I've already saw. Don't look like I can get down to it that way. I might just look at it from right here. I hear some turkeys. There is some private land on the other side. There's a John boat sitting right over there. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna do this loop and head back the way I came from. All right, y'all, I'm pretty much back to the truck now. I appreciate y'all watching my videos. If you made it this far, somehow or another, I can make a 3-mile hike into a 30-minute video. Go figure. But I appreciate y'all watching. I ended up getting right around 4.5 miles on this hike. So not bad. Y'all come check out the Alderman Ford Nature Preserve out here off of Turkey Creek Road in Plant City. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all.